Let's overview how to use and modify your real-time dashboard. The dashboard is the default view, where all widgets are located. Existing widgets can be edited or deleted, and new ones can be added. Choose the type of widget and click Add. Now modify queues, agents, extensions, statuses, and views as needed. For statuses, check or uncheck those needed in the dashboard and modify their color coding. Random colors can be chosen or customization can be done from the list of options. Under the View tab, select the columns to be viewed. Add as many widgets as necessary by repeating the process. Different types of reports offer different viewing options. Controls are unified and can be easily tuned to meet company needs. Save changes, and the customized dashboard will be ready to use. The resizing option allows for changes to the layout of widgets depending on the desired appearance. Unlock the view and resize each widget, remembering to save changes once finished. Widgets are interactive. For example, clicking on one of the agents opens a modal with short controls and extended performance data. The next section, Users, is where people and roles in the account are controlled. New users can be added with the necessary settings and access assigned to them. Hints on adding settings are provided, so read them carefully. Lastly, assign the role for this user within the company. Each user can be deleted directly from the list, so use this option wisely. There are 2 additional tabs in this section. Default roles show what each role is able to access or perform. Custom roles can be created if a specific set of permissions is needed, not covered by any default options. The Entities and Rules section manages agents, extensions, queues, and groups. Each created agent can be edited or deleted from the table. New agents can be added and their settings configured. The drop-down list allows for using existing agents as templates or creating new ones from scratch. Extension settings follow a similar pattern, with their own set of options. The Queues tab is used to combine agents into queues by dragging them into the selection field. Groups behave similarly but are used for auto-dialer. Rules can be useful for automating small actions. For example, create a rule to ensure each session of an agent does not exceed 12 hours. The Agent Panel section offers customization options for the appearance of the agent panel for the team. All fields are customizable, enabling a view that works exactly for the team or complies with privacy policies. The entire system is available in multiple languages, with all options accessible in the menu. Bulk SMS, Dialer, Speech Analyzer, and CDR are optional features, covered in separate videos. For any questions, reach out to the support team.